1966 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. C code 289 car, C4 automatic transmission. Paint code 8, springtime yellow. Interior is the black luxury interior, pony interior. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome bright work up front. One little dinger on the bumper. A little bit of pitting. Chrome shows its age a little bit, but it's being awful fussy on this car. This car has a nice look to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Mustang wheel covers, white wall, bias tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the panel's nice and straight. A few little touch-up spots on the paint, but overall paint shows well. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. And again, you can see those panels are nice and straight. Of course, bucket seats up front, shift around the floor. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. We also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We do want to mention technicians that went through this did note little TLC things down the road you're going to want to do if we're putting on a ton of miles. This car, again, nice shape. Take it out, drive it, not a problem. They said you may want to check over the brakes, go through the brakes and wheel cylinders. Car hadn't been driven a whole lot in the last year, but check out the driving video at the very end of this walk around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Car drives out fine. Technicians just noted a few things may want to be checked before he put a ton of miles on it. Consignor said go ahead and price it accordingly. Announce it, sell it the way it is, so here it is. Again, be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just want to drive around. If you like these early model Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. We always like that. And you can see the driver's side. Paint shows well also. Let's look at the interior. All right, it's a door panel. Looking good. Rear seats, that pony interior, luxury interior. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. Up the headliner. Visor's in place. Headliner looks good. I think we better start it up, see how it runs. And like I said, we'll take a peek underneath the hood. All right, looks like we have oil pressure coming up. Fuel gauge came up. Amp meter. That was a cold start, so I won't expect the temp gauge to be up. Sounds pretty good. What you'd expect out of a 289, no crazy exhaust. Sounds like it would have back in the day. And springtime yellow, always a popular color on these early Mustangs, no doubt about that. Good looking interior. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped. Check out that engine bay and then stick around. We'll take it for a drive. Underside of the hood. Looks good. There it is. It's a pretty stock looking engine bay. Looks good, sounds good. Battery disconnect here for in between drives or when it's in storage. Nice throttle response on that. There you go, 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Ford Mustang in a very light yellow, possibly cream color you might call it, with black and some wood grain in the dash on the inside. Looking good. Our turn signal indicator works. Our oil pressure gauge is working, reading about 1/3 of the way up. Fuel gauge showing 1/4 of a tank. Good acceleration in this Mustang. This is an automatic on the floor. Our amp gauge is right in the middle of the gauge. The temperature is just coming off a cold. And the speedometer is working as it should. Blower motor works and wipers also work on this car. Factory horn working. Love these horn buttons. Good look to this steering wheel with the cutouts, the wood, and rivets. Very classic look. Final bucket seats in this Mustang. Door panels looking nice, dash looking nice, headliner. This car has a good road feel. You can feel those road angles, but it absorbs the imperfections well. Very stock feeling Mustang. Corners as it should. Kick down working on the automatic transmission. Very smooth running car. See the pictures of underneath this car, under the hood, in the trunk, all the pictures you might be looking for, and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.